Hello friends, this is Martin, the welding man, and now we're here with this pumpkin, and now we're trying to get it fit here. So this is the first iteration. We're going to take it back and he's going to weld on something, and also we're going to do a thing for the sculling oar. And like I said, the sculling oar is going to now hang here instead. So this is it. So yes, this is for today. And here's the building of the boat. It's still upside down, waiting for the glass fiber. Live in the cell. Very good stuff. And here she's now on the inside. And here's the place for the oar. And it's like a hole here in the back. That's for the tiller. And the hatch. And there's a centerboard too. Hello friends, this is the second Exlex, and this is about maybe 2019, something like this. And I'm back at the tiller, and the front man is Captain from the Vega. We sailed to Florida many years ago. And now I increased the beam a bit from 1.1 meter, 8 centimeter to 1 meter, 22 centimeter. So it's like 13 centimeter more beam, or 14 centimeter more. And well, makes a lot of difference to the stability. And also, this boat was not stretched, so I saved a lot of space in that. And now, plan was to sail to the ice cream in New Zealand. Here's the sailing in Dunedin, captain in the forehatch, and the sails are 2 square meter each. So this is quite good. But some strange things happened. But so it was the corona, and travel was restricted, and I couldn't take the boat to Ireland. But from here, I took it on a car to Norway, to Öresund. And I was not really allowed to go there too, but Swedish people working in Norway were allowed. So 2 of my books is in Norwegian, translated too, and I wrote a paper to the custom saying that this was for my business, and they kind of let me in. And some friends, so we launched it up here in Öresund, and then I sailed. First I tried to go down here, and then I sailed up here, north of Faroe Islands, and down south of the Azores, and up to Flores. So this was a long trip, and it was very cold, and it took 78 days in all. So I had made some mistake with the hatches, so it dripped in water there in the cold weather, but from condensation. The hatches were tight, and the locking mechanism was not really good either. And now I have a different rudder arrangement. Still, it was very good with the inside steering. But now I had a tilder coming in through the transom, and I got a bellow. But this bellow, it was restricting most of the water, but some salt water came in. So I was not happy with that. Well, anyway, from the Azores, I sailed down to Madeira, and that's not sure how long it took, but maybe 30 days. And then the winter was coming, and now they did tests on people, so I have to be in quarantine, even though I've been out such a long time. Same in the Azores, I've been out 78 days, but they still thought that maybe I had a corona. And the same in Madeira. So I came to Madeira, and then I left the boat there for the winter, because now New Zealand had kind of closed it. As I understood it, if you were a New Zealander native and went, for example, to Australia in a holiday, and then they closed the country, you couldn't come back, even if you were a New Zealand man. So, well, correct me if I'm wrong, but this is what I heard. So this trip to New Zealand had to be cancelled, and there was a few things more. So I sailed up to, left the boat in the winter there. Now the restrictions was a bit less, so I could go airplane back to Sweden. And in the winter time, I did preparation for the next boat. And in the spring I came back. I sailed up to the Azores. And from the Azores, I was there. I met some of these YouTubers like the Vagabond and Sam Holmes, and then I sailed up to Baltimore, and the boat come back to Sweden. So in all, in this boat, it was 150 days at sea. So this is, well, 5 months. So it's a little long time. And everything went fine, you know, except this condensation and some steering with the boat. But I learned a lot. So this is it. So here is getting close to
I can see Victor very clearly. It's about 30 miles to Porta, 33 miles. But the wind is
and the interesting thing is the boat is steering itself. I just got the tiller and trimmed the sail, and you see it's the only one sheet in the boom. Need no preventer or nothing, you know, because the boom cannot be raised, because I have the downhole is down in the boom.
bad weather here recently.
So this is in Horta, Fayal, and other island Pico is in the background with this very high volcano. And it's a nice time there, and they have good ice cream too. Peter's ice cream. And here's the vagabond people. They had a big catamaran there, and I think, well, I know he was from Australia, and maybe she's too. So we spent some time together, and then later we spent even more time down in the Madeira, because I think we were there 3 weeks together, and it's kind of a small place. So, very friendly people. So, again, this is at sea. And you can see the interesting thing. It's quite big waves. And the boat is just steering itself, keeping a very steady course. No one at the tiller. The tiller is locked. The seat is in the same place. And it's like magic. How she can keep just pointing the same directions all the time. So, and it's very interesting. And it's one of the pleasures with sailing without self-steering or autopilot. Because it depends a bit on your own unity